Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I am about to simply show you how you can actually disable the Facebook share button on your Facebook timeline or Facebook post. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to disable Facebook share button. In this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually disable the share button on your Facebook post. So without any further ado, let us get started. So if I actually open my Facebook app right over here, and then I actually show you a list of posts, you will actually be able to see this share button. Now what happens is that many people actually don't want their post to be shared by others. So if I actually tap on share, I would actually be able to share this person's post. But if you don't want that kind of option, then you actually want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now first thing I'm going to show you is that how can you disable the share button while creating a new post. So if I tap on my status button, and let's say I create a certain post over here, but then I don't want anybody to actually share it after I publish. So what I can do is right here at the top left hand side, you can see this friends button. You can tap on it and here it will show you who can see your post. So what you can do is you can only set it to friends, because what happens is that when you set it to friends, the general public who are not friends on your Facebook will not actually be able to share the post. So you want to understand that there is no complete way to disable Facebook share button from your friends as well. But what you can do is you can actually turn it on only to friends, and even if your friends do share your post, it will not show to the general public who are not friends on your Facebook. So this is actually the first way to do it, and the other way you could actually go and do it is that you can tap on the three menu bar right on the top right hand side of the screen, and you want to scroll down to the bottom until you find the option which says settings and privacy. As you tap on settings and privacy, here you will find an option called settings. So go ahead and simply tap on settings. As we tap on settings, you want to scroll down to the bottom, and here under the audience and visibility tab, you would be able to find this option right over here which says post. Tap on this post button, and first of all you can simply tap on who can see your future post and then actually limit it to only your friends. Tap on try it now, and then we'll be taken to the status screen as we were earlier. And if you want to disable the share button on your past post, then you can simply tap on limit who can see past post button right over here, and then tap on limit past post, and it will actually limit all of the past posts, and people who are not friends on your Facebook would not be able to see all of the posts which you have, and as a result will not actually be able to share it as well. These were some of the ways on how you could actually disable the Facebook share button on Facebook. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.